Help support the companies that support our community. There we go. The oil is all dry. I got it all coated. So it's 14 inches across and about 13 inches tall. Just kind of an idea I had, kind of mixing the two woods together. It's maple, burl, and walnut. This piece right here on the base, the reason it was curved because it was a cutout for a bowl blank. Kevin, when we were in Utah, he gave it to me, and it was just a scrap piece left over. But I love the way it still arches up there. That I really like that look, and it's just a completely different color too, because it's just raw than this piece up here. And this piece here I got from Trevor at Worldwide Burls. I'll put a link down below in the description. He does auctions on Instagram all the time, and just some beautiful wood. The reason I didn't glue it in is just when I was sanding it, I just kind of kept taking off little bits of it at a time until it fit in there nice and tight. But really like the way it came out. Just kind of an idea I had, and I'm calling this piece Impact. It looks like just meteor or something coming in and smashing into it. I love the contrast between the walnut and the maple. But it was a fun project. It's, as far as making it goes, I just kind of, on both the discs, I just kind of bowed them around, just kind of bolted them up a little bit in the middle. And then on the vacuum chuck, I just flipped them back and forth until I sanded up both sides of them. And that works really well for doing things like that. I will have a link down below in the description too for all the tools and vacuum chucks and sanding and stuff that I have. So it'll all be down below in the description. A couple of things that we have coming up. We're doing another virtual maker fair, and I will put a link down below in the description with the details to that. So a bunch of us are getting together again, and we're just going to do, actually it's going to go on for, I think it's kind of 2 days. They're going to start it out in England, and then we're going to finish it up here in the US. So it's going to go on for quite a while, but just I'll have a list of everybody that's going to be in it too. So go check that out. And the other thing is, the class. I mentioned that I'm going to do a Cryptex class. I'll have a link down below in the description for that as well if you want to join in on that, and that will be next Saturday. So I will have a link down below if that's something you're interested in. But it was a fun project. I haven't done an art piece in just a strictly art piece in quite a while, and I enjoy stuff like that. But I just love the contrast between the woods too, like that. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time. I don't think I have anything else. Yeah, I think that's about it. All right. Have a great weekend.